Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Wilmovsky, and I'm the Medical Director Spokesperson for Trevo. And today I wanted you to learn a little bit more about Trevo and the necessity for a kind of product like Trevo. You see, today in our world, the amount of whole foods that we get out of our dietary sources is really diminished. If you go back a couple hundred years, it was natural for people to get whole foods, and whole foods mean they were grown out of the ground or they were harvested, from livestock. It wasn't processed, no chemicals put in it, synthetics, antibiotics, hormones, or pesticides. So it's very hard to get that if you look at, the kind of foods we have at big chain fast food restaurants, or what you see at, large wholesale distributor companies, and all the high fructose corn syrup. Matter of fact, a head of cabbage in 1958 had almost twice the amount of iron in it as it does today. So even if you are eating whole food vegetables, you're not getting nearly the supplementation that you would have got, just 50 years ago, let alone 200 years ago. So a solution needs to happen for that. And Trevo has done a beautiful job of putting together a multivitamin with formulas from all around the world, including acacia berry, recommended daily allowances, B vitamins, all to keep your body healthy and well. You see, if you don't have your normal amounts of your recommended daily allowances of different vitamins and minerals, your body will wither, just like somebody with scurvy wouldn't have enough, vitamin C to offset the disease. And not only does Trevo keep you from disease, it doesn't just pop you up one level to recommended daily allowances, but above that, so you can reach more optimal care. So Trevo is a product that's really founded on optimizing your body, moving your body towards health and wholeness. And really that's my goal, my clinical direction with all my patients and my products and my practice. I'm here working today busy. I've taken a moment out of patients to just have a few moments about Trevo and to understand the power of Trevo. One of the things I think you really need to understand is when you take a product like this, you're giving yourself whole food nutrition. Okay, just like this apple pear. You're giving yourself nutrients and vitamins and minerals that come from the earth, that have not been refined, that are not full of chemicals and different kinds of processed ingredients. So it's why I endorse Trevo. I really like the company's philosophy, not just from the product side, but from the people involved, to move people towards health and wellness and an optimal life. And this is the foundational product, the first thing that a family needs to really get that. And it's great for kids as well as all the way up to adults and geriatric patients. And it's going to fit in the keys and the locks perfectly, so the body now can naturally create health. You see, your body was meant to create health all by itself. It just loses the ability when it gets clogged up with different chemicals and drugs and toxins and stresses over the course of our lives. But if we can remove those and then replace them with pure, sufficient products like Trevo, then the body now can just start moving towards health all by itself. And that's really the best that any doctor could happen or ask for in their patient's healing. So I recommend Trevo for you and your family.